Welcome to Inquisicook 1, featuring 75 lessons that do all the teaching. The course is divided into 5 units. Each unit has 15 lessons, and all the instructional materials are included, so there are no books to buy. The last one is always a unit test, followed by a collection of optional recipes we call for further eating. The materials list and glossary are linked at the top of each unit for easy access. We teach the science first, so students can apply it in the kitchen later. To complete a lesson, students just start at the top of the page and work their way down. About 60% of lessons feature a brief instructional video. Each activity features a materials list and clear step-by-step instructions. We very quickly move into the kitchen and start cooking. For lessons that include a recipe preparation, the video features a live-action demonstration of the process, so students know exactly what to do. When it's time to cook, they simply click on the recipe and it pops up, showing all the necessary equipment and ingredients, as well as step-by-step instructions. Students complete a sensory evaluation for every recipe they prepare, rating their results based on appearance, flavor, texture, and aroma. Our Instructor Resources section includes answer keys and evaluation guidelines that make assessing student progress a piece of cake, even for the busiest parents. The grading records for each unit are available as both Excel spreadsheets and PDFs. Inquisicook 1 is engaging for students and easy on parents. Take it for a test drive with our sample lessons, or click on Enroll to get started today.